When choosing CCTV cameras, many people mistakenly believe that the wider the viewing angle, the better. But is this really the case? Today, we will look at how to choose the right lens, wide, medium, or narrow, and show you some clear comparisons. Let's get started. Let's say you have a house. Cameras are often placed in corners, which makes sense. A wide angle of 100 degrees covers the entire area. But here's a common mistake. The same camera is mounted on a pole by the road, although here it is important not to see everything, but to clearly distinguish license plate numbers. A wide angle only gets in the way here, detail suffers, and you don't need your neighbor's fence in the frame. CCTV cameras with zoom are much more effective for such tasks. For example, the popular ISON Alpha Pro X camera zooms in on images at a distance of 20 to 25 meters, improving the quality significantly. See for yourself, a camera with a 2.8mm lens at 15 meters shows a blurred license plate number. At the same distance with zoom, the license plate number is clear. The difference is obvious. A narrow angle cuts out unnecessary space but provides detail. Conclusion: if you need to monitor a specific area, such as a gate or a narrow road, choose a camera with zoom. Summary: a wide angle for viewing the territory, a narrow angle for detail. Keep this simple scheme in mind and your video surveillance system will work to its full potential. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe. More comparisons and life hacks are coming soon. Stay safe and enjoy clear images.